Hello everyone, welcome to your social studies class of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, in my previous video I had already explained you lesson number 16. Now today in this video we will complete the exercises and question answers. Okay, so let's begin our class. Exercise A, multiple choice questions. First question is, which is the principal source of livelihood in our country? Answer, agriculture. B, agriculture. Now question number 2, which of the following is not a cash crop? Answer, wheat. Okay, B. Question number 3, food crops sown in the winter season are called rabi crops. Question number 4, the horticulture crops include both A and B, that is fruits and vegetables. So answer is both A and B. Now question number C, exercise C, question number 1, match true or false. First one is, in our country, agriculture is an age-old economic activity. Correct. Question number 2, food grains are grown for commercial purpose. Wrong. Third, kharif crops are grown with the beginning of the winter season. This is also wrong. And fourth one is, cotton and jute are fiber crops. Correct. Now exercise D, fill in the blanks. First one is, more than 55% population of our country is engaged in agriculture. Answer, you can see spelling, you can see from this help box. Question number 2, dash and dash are food staples of India. Answer, rice and wheat. Question number 3, in the farming of dash, high yielding variety of seeds are used. Answer, cash crops. Question number 4, wheat, barley and gram are included in the rabi crops. Okay. Now exercise E, match the following. First one is, agriculture is the principal source of dash. You have to match it with this D, livelihood. Question number 2, rice, important food grain of India. Question number 3, paddy is a kharif crop, and fourth one is, rubber is a non-food crop. Okay, so these are your match the following. Now we will complete the question answers. Okay. Question number 1, why is India called an agrarian country? Answer, India is called an agrarian country because more than 55% of the population depends upon agriculture. Question number 2, what are the 4 major types of crops in India? Give an example of each. 4 major types of crops in India are food grains, example wheat and maize, cash crops, cotton, jute. Third, plantation crops, tea and coffee, horticulture crops, fruits and vegetables. Okay, you can write these answers by taking the screenshot or simply by pausing the video and write in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Now question number 3, differentiate between rabi crops and kharif crops. Kharif crops are grown in the beginning of monsoon in July and harvested in September and October. For example, moong, urad, cotton and jute. These are kharif crops. And rabi crops are grown in October to December and harvested in April to June. For example, wheat, barley, grain. Okay. Now question number 4, state the reason because of which the agriculture production of India has increased. So answer is, the agriculture production of India has increased due to the following factors. First one is, more area has been bought under irrigation. Second, use of manures and fertilizers. Third, use of high quality seeds. And fourth one is, use of modern machines. Okay. So these are your answers of your exercise of your lesson 16. Okay, you have to complete these question answers in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting, and exercises in book also in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you. And you have to learn all these answers in homework. Okay, so thank you.